Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to make One Piece in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take fire. And put in the field. And then put fire in fire. When you do that, you will get volcano. Then, take water and put in the field. Then put water in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. Now, combine these elements. Put lake in the volcano. When you do that, you will get island. After that, put water in the island. When you do that, voila! You will get ship. Now, it's time to put lake in the ship. When you do that, you will get pirate. Now, go to other side. Take fire and put in the field. Then take water and put in the fire. And this time you will get steam. Now, we will go to the other side. For this, we will take earth and put in the field. Then, take earth and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get mountain. Now, again go to other side. Take island and put in the field. Then take island and put in the island. When you do that, you will get continent. Now, combine these elements. Now, take continent and put in this mountain. And you will get Asia. Then, take the island. And put in the Asia. When you do that, you will get Japan. After that, combine these elements. Take Japan and put in the steam. When you go that, you will get anime. Now, the last step. Take anime. And put in the pirate. When you do that, voila! You will get One Piece. Congratulations! You have successfully made One Piece in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.